Hi everyone. In previous video, we have seen how to record script in LoadRunner. Now, how to replay your script in LoadRunner. So, after creating your script, after enhancing your script as per your requirement, after enhancing your script as per your enhancements, then you need to replay it to check whether it's working fine or not. So, to replay your script, so you will have a play symbol here, which we can click for replaying, or we can use F5 button on your keyboard for Windows for replaying. So I am clicking the replay button here, so which will help us to replay your script in VuGen. So now it was started. When you see this screen, this kind of thing, so with the debug with the yellow color highlighted, then your script is replayed. So before replaying, you can see the options here: script passed successfully or failed. In the bottom, you will have a script passing successfully. If replay is successful, then you will get another message: the replay success passed. So if you have any issues with your script, or if you have any compilation problem in your script validation will fail. So before running your script every time, make sure you compile your script. So in replay, if you go, you have compile option. Click on compile option, so it will show whether it was compiled successfully or not. Now we'll add one more some dot here. So now see the script passing as failed. So you click on when you see this, even when you replay, it will show the same error. There is script issue. Yeah, cannot start the replay due to the compilation issues. So you go to this, and under the errors, it will show you the what are the errors we have here. So disable on warnings, disable warning. So you have only errors now. So you have only one error, but it was shown different types. So you need to understand what error it was throwing. So it was giving the correct line number with a unexpected line. So unexpected dot wrong token, or illegal wrong statement termination. So in C we use semicolon added termination. So we don't have dot added terminator. So like based on the, sometimes you may miss the flower bracket, sometimes you may closing flower bracket, or sometimes you may miss the this flower bracket. So every time you write the code, to make sure you are using the right opening and close braces in your script. So if everything works fine and there are no issues with your script, it was showing errors here, but here it was showing your script as passed. So to get confirmation, when you get a message script passing success, then it's already compiled. Whenever you enter a new line, or whenever you do it, or whenever you save it, LoadRunner will automatically compile to a script and update here. So now the errors in the error window will has gone. It's showing no errors detected. Now you can replay it. So replaying is a very simple thing, but make before, if you have any issues in your compilation, like if you have missed any semicolon or any unwanted symbols, and you are not terminated your line, or you're missing the open brackets or closed brackets, then it will not allow you to run until you clear those issues. Thanks for doing this.